Garage, the program that each week introduces you to and shows you how to install the latest in exciting and innovative products for your vehicle. Motorhead Garage is presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. Now here's your host, Dave Dobson.
Welcome to Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. You know, when I heard Easy Car Trade was coming to the studio, Joe, I sort of was thinking classic cars. You see a lot of trading available when you look online, but that wasn't really your primary market when you started the site, was it?
No, it wasn't. We're looking to help people find cars, any type of car, minivans, classics, newer cars, any type of car that you can't afford to buy, and find someone who's willing to trade with you for a car, you know, of equal value or whatever. You guys work out your own deal. You know, that was our main idea.
And how did things, you know, that are going with the economy and things in the world right now are pretty crazy, especially when it comes to used car prices. So how'd that factor into your decision to start this site?
Well, we thought, since, you know, with all this COVID going on and prices of cars going up, harder to get cars, inventories are down, we thought it would help people find cars without spending a lot of money, because I know it's really hard nowadays.
And it's something that comes to mind. I wish you were here 5 years ago, because I had a pickup truck and it was just the single bench seat. We had a second child and I needed something with 4 doors so we can transport the kids.
That's exactly what we were thinking. Someone who has a pickup truck that no longer needs one, maybe needs a minivan, and someone's willing to trade a pickup for a minivan, it'd help you out. It's an easy way to switch a car that you need at the time.
In the old days, you know, a couple of years ago, you had to look at a certain newspaper, or you had to look on certain websites, and it was really tough to find somebody that would have the exact trade. I'd always laugh, you know, someone has a really obscure vehicle and they're offering up a trade, and it was kind of a hit and miss thing. And so what have you guys done to make that more focused?
What we're doing here is we're trying to make it easier. It's a more one-on-one situation where you can get on our site, find the car you want, and actually speak with that person one-on-one. It kind of personalizes it, kind of matchmaking site for car people.
And another way to keep those folks safe is the way they communicate with each other. You're not getting somebody's phone number right off the bat, are you?
No. Basically, you send someone a message. If they're willing to talk to you, they'll message you back, and then you can go on and make your own deal, your own trade. Whatever happens is on you guys, yes.
All right, thanks, Joe. And the other part of the operation is Anthony. Now, Anthony, what am I going to see when I go to the Easy Car Trade website?
We're going to see a lot of nice cars. I'm going to tell you that from the start.
I noticed that, yeah.
Yeah, anybody can go on, check it out. It's free to look around the site and click on any of the cars and get their information.
Okay, so you're not like jumping in blindly, hoping there's a car out there for you. You can look and see if there's something you're trying to target.
Yeah, you can do many searches on our site and really dive in.
What kind of information am I going to see right off the bat on all these cars?
Oh, well, you're going to see the makes, models, and you click on there, you're going to see their description box as well. You're going to see that if it is tradable or not. That's the most important drop-down box there. So you'll know right off the bat when you're looking at that, any of the cars, if it's tradable or they're just selling you.
And I'm getting all that information off the bat. I don't need the membership to get extra information.
Absolutely not.
Okay, cool. So you guys are very transparent as far as that goes.
Yes.
And then how can I personalize it just for me? What kind of settings do you have?
Well, if you do list the car, and once you list the car, it gives you a dashboard, your own personal dashboard. That's what makes the site personable. You can customize your email notifications, who you follow. We have what you can follow me as a friend as well. You can follow people. So if I go and list a car, you're getting first notification of what I'm listing. So you kind of get first dibs on what I'm selling or what I'm trading.
And if I know you have really high quality cars and you take good care of your vehicles, I'm going to want to follow you.
Right.
Perfect. What about dealers? I know there's some dealers on the site. It gives you an extra option, doesn't it?
Yes. With the dealers come in, you know, dealers again going to get live people, live cars. Whoever contacts the dealers, you're getting the customer. You're not getting a third party. You're not getting a lead that leads to nowhere. You're getting an actual person reaching out.
And they're really interested in your vehicle.
Right.
So that gives you the option. Of course, trading is what you're established on. But if they're interested in actually buying the vehicle, or you can buy one from them as well, is that
right? Let's say a lot of people are getting out of their classic cars and they get a little old. They can't work on the cars anymore. You can also trade that in. It gives the dealers option to pull in classic car trades as well. So
opens up a whole new world.
Exactly.
And I notice you have some resources when I'm getting a car on a trade. There's a lot of things you have to figure out how you're going to get it, how you're going to finance, if you buy one, and that sort of thing. So what kind of resources do you have there?
Well, on the footer of the page, we have our resources. We partnered right now with one of the largest transportation companies right now. So if you do need to transport it from Los Angeles to Florida, you can find them right on our site. We have escrow companies, we have title companies. there's just many resources on there, what you need.
I love Easy Car Trade because they do exactly what their name says. They make everything easy. You can find them at easycartrade.com. They find the match, you make the trade. We'll be right back with more Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coating, so don't go anywhere.